Hey guys, so we're finally here in Kirchor, Chiang Mai. So we're going to use the free service of Ibis. And we got the 350 ticket. Good early Sunday morning guys, this is JE again and welcome back to Vlog Center. And for this video, we are off to another Klook tour today. But before anything else, of course, we are going to have our breakfast. So tignan nyo guys, halos mag 7 AM na pero it's still dark outside. Parang matagal bago bumaba ang araw dito pero matagal din bago sumika. So we're currently having our breakfast. Yung sinaserve dito sa Ibis, you have the option to get the buffet breakfast or pwede din hindi. Pakita ko yung mga set of food that they are serving for breakfast. Yeah. Yung mga bread station, dito yung salad, fruits, andun naman yung mga main course. And they also have here yung boiled eggs na lagi namin nininenok. Tsaka yan, all set of drinks. Tapos of course, meron din mga coffee vendors. You have the option for your cappuccino, americano, or whatever you like. Hey guys, so we're finally here in Kirchor, Chiang Mai. Ayan o. That was after parang an hour lang na drive from our hotel. And the good thing is, while it was raining hard doon sa area namin, dito, it's sunny.
Now before we want to see today, if you have some questions about elephants, then you can ask me. And I'm happy to share for you about everything about elephant. In between you and elephant, we don't have chain for lock up them. Elephant, they just walk around you. They just follow your back and they just hunt you. Okay, let's see our ingredients. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients. Now first one. This one is very important for the elephant, for the human as well. In Thai, we call borapit, but in English, I don't know. Yes, but I said on the Google, it's called wormwood, like worm. It's climbing on the tree. Tastes very, very bitter, super bitter. Now this one, here to kill parrot. Next, please. Next, please. Come on.
Very nice, Matthew. Very nice.
Way too small. Like this.
And we're now ready to feed the elephants. So we had a sort of orientation dun. And then kami din yung gumawa ng mga balls na pang feed sa elephant. And then here we have the sugar cane.
Throw on the ground if you're scared. Separate out to feed elephant. Oh, the babies.
Ang daming elephants. Look at that.
Mix with the mud. Yeah, and put. Đi báo cho chưa gì nhau.
他背后，站在他背后，站在他背后啊！好嘞。你摸脚啊！
Cô cho chị á, nô cho chị á. Cho chị ấy.
So we're back here again guys. Ayan o, kararating lang din ng iba. Galing dun sa pinaka-sanctuary and now we're here because they're also serving yung lunch.
Take lunch.
So ito yung lunch guys. Kanin at sabaw. Tsaka, ayan, meron ding pakwan. Hey guys, it's just 12:30 and we're back in the hotel. So half day lang kasi yung cloak tour dun sa Perchore. And dahil ang sakit ng ulo ko sa pagtulog ko sa van. So I took coffee. So hopefully linis na yung room natin so we could take a shower. So that was it guys. It was a nice tour overall kasi hindi din siya nakakapagod kasi nga half day lang siya. So we're now back in the hotel at 12:30. So we started yung tour at 7. That's the pick-up time from the hotel. So the only complaint may be maalikabok yung area. Pero better na maalikabok siya kaysa naman maputik. Kasi when we left here, umuulan. So I was expecting na magiging maputik dun sa area. But good thing, pag dating namin doon, it was sunny. Hey guys, it's 3 p.m. and we just freshen up. So, lalabas na ulit tayo. Let's go to the mall. We're going to use the free service of Ibis. Yeah, meron silang service going to Maya Mall. Although malapit lang naman siya. But since free naman, so yeah. So guys, we're now here in the Maya Mall and nandito kami ngayon sa cinema and we're checking if we can get the Captain America movie. And we got the 350 ticket. Pero maya-maya pa yon, so baka kain mo na tayo.
Lovely maiden I now behold. Bracket.